purified. If you want that repair kit, 47, you can take it. Oh, I'm still hearing the pouring noise.
Yeah, it's just like the water fountain.
I'm sorry, that's me peeing.
You an elephant?
I'm a big black guy.
Oh, okay, so you do got the truck.
Bro, this thing will not stop. Where is it at? Is it over there?
Oh, it's attached to 47. It's attached to 47. When he leaves, you can hear that, right, Billy?
It is, yeah, it is.
When he leaves, it stops. It's following him. Wait, put your canteen away. Did you?
I did.
Bro, you're a broken fire hose. Oh man, that's ridiculous.
Knock me out.
No, you could just. Alright.
No. Yeah, I guess. Only in the head. Don't damage my vest. Moan, you had... What the fuck?
You used brass knuckles.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I watched you do it.
Look. I did.
I jokingly put on brass knuckles too. But you fucking killed him with, yeah, you can kill with brass knuckles. Well,
I didn't use brass
look,
knuckles.
his water sound is still going on. Fuck, he's cut up and the water sound is still going.
Oh, I'm off for the night.
No, you're not.
I'll let y'all later.
No, you're not. 47, are you kidding? You better be kidding.
Yeah, I'm fucking with you.
Bro, this water sound's gotta fucking go. Alright, so Billy, grab all the meat and throw it into the lake. Let's figure out what is making this noise. Make sure you don't eat it, please.
I'm a little slow.
It's the shirt. It's the canteen. It's the canteen itself. Yep, so I just left the canteen over there. You don't gotta throw it if you don't want to now. It's the canteen. The canteen is glitched.
Oh, so if I would've...
Watch this, Billy. Stay there. I'm gonna throw it right past you. And you're gonna hear water go by you. Are you present? Here, watch.
Yep.
Oh no, it bounced into the fucking lake.
I'm so glad you guys are having fun. Now I know what Mello felt like when he crashed.
Oh, I got the canteen. I got it. I'm soaking wet though. What if I empty it? Okay, so it was just water glitch that one time, I guess.